Hi everyone. I've been asked to go ahead and show you how I made these plates. So we're going to do that today. You and me. Now the first thing we're going to need is some mason stain. And we're going to need a regular clay. I use a B mix for cone 5. So we're going to be doing a lot of wedging. And a Hydro bat. Great. Fit right on my wheel. It's very nice. I've used this many years and it's still as good as the day I got it. I'm also going to use these little color cutters. Now, if I wanted to, I could use flowers. I usually use squares, but I've also used circles. You can get these anywhere. I'm sure Amazon has them. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I wedge up some colored clay. Thanks. All right, here we are. I'm getting my B mix, my white stoneware. Just getting it prepped, ready to put the mason stain into these nice little shallow bowls. I'm gonna make about 4 or 5 of them. And then I'm gonna stack them all together and I'm gonna wedge till my arms get sore. But we're gonna be fast forwarding it up soon. So here we are, we're making those little, and I went ahead and put a little piece aside just to make a little top. And here I am, I'm adding some water. You want to do that. The mason stain is a powder. It is dry. So it'll dry out your clay and you may not want that. I don't, so I add a little bit of water. Not too much to make it messy or sloppy, but just enough. Now, you should be wearing a mask. Do what I say, not as I do. And you should also weigh this out. The mason stain should be between 3 to 8% of the total weight of the clay that you're adding it to. It depends on the color, and it'll say that on the bag, or you can look it up. But you and I are on this sort of ride here together, and we're gonna just figure it out as we go along. Here I am, I'm just wrapping it up, and I'm about to smush it. Let's fast forward it. This is nothing you wanna watch the whole thing with me. So yes, it gets messy. You can wear gloves if you want. I didn't. I went ahead and I just, you see now, look at that. I'm smushing it, mashing it in. So not just wedging. This is not a wedging time here. We're about to go into it. There we go. All right, I'm on my little wedging table. I'm pulling it apart and smacking it together, intermixed with wedging, just the regular ram's head wedging, just to sort of get it there. And it's just about there. So join me next time and we'll make the plate and the next part. Thanks.